Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I'm going to be going over the Ipsy PR that was sent to me. This month I was sent the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus that I am forever so grateful for. I can't ever be so grateful enough to Ipsy. They were the first company that ever reached out to me to send me PR. And I'm still a small content creator, so for them to send stuff to me, it means a lot. It really does mean a lot. And I've been reviewing this stuff way before they reached out to me. But nevertheless, I'm excited to show you what I got in here. I don't know what I got. When you get the PR, they just send you stuff. But when you are subscribed and you get to pick stuff, like for the Glam Bag Plus, you can pick 3 out of the 5 items. And for the Glam Bag, I believe you can pick 1 item. So we're going to get into it. But before I do, I'm just going to tell you the prices. 28 used to be 25 and 13 used to be 10. So the prices did go up. Not too much, but the prices did go up on the items. So if you guys want to know what I got in my Ipsy PR for the month of September, my birthday month, woo woo, then you guys know what to do. Just keep on Alrighty guys, before we get into the unboxing, I just wanted to say hi to anyone who may be new to my channel. Hi, welcome. My name is Aisha. I do all things girly on this channel. I do a lot of unboxings, makeup subscription unboxings. I do makeup hauls. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell if you guys are subscribed to me so you'll know what time I upload the video. And you'll know each and every time I upload my videos. So, let's get in. So we'll start off with the $13 bag. Now, when you get the PR, everything's all in one box. We just get the whole big box, kind of like when I used to have the Ipsy Glam Bag X, I believe. No, not the X. What was it called before that? I forgot what it was called, but I guess kind of like the Glam Bag X, that big purple box. It comes in a box just that size, and everything is all in there. Nothing was. I think this was like empty and there was a few things in here. Most of the stuff was in the box. So I just put stuff in here, but I don't know what's in what. Like I don't know what was part of the Glam Bag Plus or the Glam Bag. But nevertheless, you get to still see what you could or could not get. So the bag is giving me like 3D metallic vibes. It is a lavenderish purple color, pinky purple color, like some type of chromey color. It may look white on camera. Let me look in the viewfinder. In the viewfinder, it looks more white, but it is more lavendery in person. And then we got this beautiful lavender bag. It says, "You got this," and it has pink tassels on the end. Now, my subscribers know who's been subscribed to my channel, so you guys already know that I've never been a fan of the bags, but that's just my personal preference because I normally carry a lot of makeup with me, so I like clear makeup bags so I could see everything, because if I threw all my makeup in here, it would take me forever to find everything. I need it to be clear, and plus I carry a lot of stuff too, so my makeup bag is huge. My makeup bag is like this big and clear. So yeah, this wouldn't work for me, but I always save and hold on to these, and when I do my giveaways, I give like 3 sets to whoever won that giveaway. So they do go to good use. But nevertheless, let's see what's in the bag. So, I think I only put just one thing in here, but I'm sure this is probably in maybe the $25 bag. But this is from the brand Clarity. Let's see here. I've never tried anything from this brand What is it? It's a gentle exfoliate and brighten. It's to gently exfoliate and brighten skin. Sorry, I was reading it as I was talking out loud. So that's what the bottle looks like. And then I threw everything else in here. So it looks like we got a magnetic balm. That's interesting. I'm gonna have to open this up because how could a balm be magnetic? I mean, I got magnetic lashes, magnetic mascara, but magnetic balm? Let's see. It smells fruity. Let's put a little bit on the back of my hand. That's what it looks like. So it's like a brown. I don't see how this could be magnetic. I do like the shade because I'm all about like nudes. I normally do my eyes with color. So I do a lot of nude lips. Love the smell. That smells amazing. Does it tell you how to, it doesn't even tell you how to use it. The back just has the ingredients on it, but it just says magnetic balm. But like, what am I trying to make magnetic for this? Like, I'm confused. If anybody gets this or knows what this is about, please comment down below because your girl's lost. Alrighty, so let me just rub this in. Alright, so the next thing I got in here is RCLE. This is their mascara. I love their black liner. Well, all their liners that I've gotten, I think they were all in Ipsy. And I think maybe I got some in BoxyCharm as well. But they were great. So I believe the mascara should be good too because the liners go on so creamy, so pigmented, so rich, and so dark. Love it. Took me by surprise. And I'm excited to try the mascara. I'm not going to open it yet because the lifespan starts when you open your product. So I'm going to wait on that. It says it has avocado oil on here. So that's interesting. Alright, let's see what else I got in here. I got some brushes. Ooh. I love brushes. You guys know this already if you're subscribed to my channel. I mean, I don't need any more brushes, but I still love getting them. So pink's my favorite color. So first of all, right off the bat, I'm loving it and I'm here for it just because it has like the pink tips on it. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Pink tips. And it's by YC Collection. So this is cute. I'm here for this. A little blush. We got a little eyeshadow or concealer brush. I'm here for it. I am loving it. You can never have too much brushes. Alrighty, so I got from the brand Hem's Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Body Butter. So I own the lotion to this. This smells amazing. So I got into Hem's like body lotion by just smelling it. One day, I think I was like at Ulta or something. Oh, actually, no, I'm lying. I'm sorry. I received the lotion from Ipsy. I got it in an Ipsy, I guess it was like in my Glam bag. The $10 one, I got like, they have a smaller size. It was yellow and I'm just wondering why this one is orange though. Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon. Is the one that I got? I'm not sure, but nevertheless, most of their lotions smell delicious. So I'm super excited for this. Super, super excited. I'm going to open it now because I know I'm going to love it. The original one, I don't like the scent of that though, I will say. Yep, that's the scent of the one that I got. Oh my god, it smells so good, but this is a little bit more richer. Oh, wow, I absolutely love, I love this. Wow. The smell of this, first of all, like most of my fragrances are like citrusy, fruity, very girly. And this is giving you that. She's giving you girly, she's giving you sweet citrus. I love the smell of pineapples. Like I buy pineapple candles all the time. And it does, I could smell the pineapple. It says honey melon. I guess I could kind of get that too. So so far my favorite thing in this box, besides my pink brushes. Alrighty, now the next thing I got here is Golden Hour. I guess this is like a metallic, metallic eyeshadow. Let me see if I can open it for you guys. So it looks like it's loose powder. I don't want to like spill this everywhere. It looks like there's a stopper that I'm probably gonna have to pull out. But it's loose, so I'm not going to get this all over the place. But it's like a bronzy. It's like a bronzy, loose, chromish color. I'm really excited to try this. Here, let me do a swatch for you guys on the back of my hand, so you guys can see. Ooh! Wow, 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 wow. See that chrome metallic? This is beautiful. Beautiful. Loves it. So I'm probably gonna like wet my eyeshadow brush when I apply it so it looks like liquid metal. But would you look at that? Alright, so I got like the cream ones of this brand that I received in Ipsy. So now I have one of the loose ones to try. The next thing I got is a Sophia and Maybell I Woke Up Like This Skin Perfecting Primer. So this probably went in like the glam bag, like it's travel size. The glam bag is mostly travel size. Sometimes you're lucky you'll get a full size, but the glam bag plus gives full size items. The next thing I got is a Gloss Modern. It's a, what? Hair mask. Never heard of the brand, but here we go. It doesn't say like what type of hair is. Oh, it says a moisture hair treatment. My hair is super dry, so I probably could use this. The next thing I got is a lipstick by Basic Beauty. I've gotten glosses by Basic Beauty from Ipsy in the past, but I haven't received a lipstick, so I'm gonna try this bad boy out. I love the color. For fall, I wear like a lot of like burnt colors, corals, but not like light color corals, warmer corals, burgundies, auburns, bronzy colors on my eyes. Hence kind of like what I'm doing today, but I love this lip. I'm definitely gonna give this lip a go. I love the gloss that they gave me. I feel like Ipsy definitely, they give you a lot of stuff from like the same brands. Like I've gotten something from Basic Beauty. I've gotten something from Lottie London. I've received things from, I get a lot of things from RCL. Or is it RCLE? I don't know. I've gotten some things from Hemp's. So, but I like that it's not the same thing. They're giving me multiple things to try from the line so I can try other things out, so I'm not mad. And like I said, like we don't get a chance to really pick what we want to get. Like they just give you everything and throw it in the bag. But beggars can be choosers too. So like if I had to choose, I probably would have got more things catered to what I like. But for me not picking anything, I have to say I do like everything in this box. That's really about it, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about my Ipsy Glam bag and my Ipsy Glam bag plus. Did you like it? Did you get anything that I got? Let me know. Your girl wants to know. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you guys waiting for? I would love the support. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. I'm so close, yet so far. So every subscriber new subscriber that I get, I would really appreciate. So thank you guys so much for all the support. Everyone who's been subscribing to my channel, it doesn't go unnoticed. For the most part, I respond to every single comment down in the comments down below, minus the people who are rude and nasty to me. I'm not going to entertain nastiness, but everybody else, thank you guys for your love and your support. I'll talk to you guys soon. See you guys all in the next video. Bye.